James here from DragonBlogger.com. Today with a little unboxing of a brand new item to us. This is the Cougar 700K Evo. This is a fully RGB keyboard. It is also Cherry MX Red keys. If you guys have no keys, you know Cherry is the producer of some of the best keys on the market. Now, like I said, this is a full RGB keyboard. They do have a UIX software, or UE software, I'd like to say, that you will run this. It'll also help you set up key bindings and stuff like that. Like I said, over here you'll see that it says Cherry. So it is a Cherry MX Red. On the bottom, there's a list of the keys. Like, you know, you could get the Cherry, what is that? Cherry Mix Silver, black, red, brown, and blue. And it has the dot for the red. But let's get the plastic off first for you guys before we get that far into this stuff. I probably could have did it beforehand, but you know, why not? Pull it off. Show you guys how new this is. As you can see, the box is large. Alright, we are unboxed. No, there is the box. You can see it is an aluminum frame keyboard. Well, you can't see it, but that's what it looks like for me. Also has a palm rest or palm pad, which is pretty cool to help brace your palms. Up here it gives you a little rundown of the, you know, specifications, like the red Cherry MX, the label. You know, it's a 32-bit processor, so it does have an onboard processor. You know, fully, you know, full key backlit tire, so it is fully backlit. Game type, first person shooters, you know, just a whole bunch of different pull rates at 100 or 1000 hertz, 1 millisecond. You can adjust it by 1, 2, 4, or 8 times. So it does allow you to do that. Onboard memory, so you have onboard memory. Some other stuff this doesn't show you right there is it does have a USB port on it. It does have headphone jack and microphone plug. So we'll show you more of that. I might actually show you back here. So right here, it has the USB and headphone jack and microphone jack. And it is an aluminum brushed structure, so it does have an aluminum structure. It is the Cherry MX switches. You know, mechanical switch. The key delivers gaming grade, you know, up to 50 million keystrokes. Should last you a long time. So unless you're one of those ones that like to mash the keys all the time. You know, more of the specs. We're not really going to get into those. We talked about it. Guess I need the knife again. We will actually cut these tags. And let's pop it open. Now this does go for about over $100. I think it's about 120 or so on Amazon. You guys are getting your first look at the keyboard itself and the palm rest. Like I said, this box is big. The palm rest, nice size, about the length of my arm, right? You know, the bottom half of my arm. Nice rubber padding. It feels good, actually. A couple clips. Looks like it's clips on, so it's not magnetic, but we'll set this aside. I'm gonna pop open. See if we can get the keyboard out. We have a whole bunch of cord and a booklet. We're going to set the keyboard aside for right this second. We're going to pop this up. Let's grab the rest of the stuff under here. Close this box up. You guys don't need this box bothering you. We'll set the box behind us. So inside, you know, their thank you for purchasing real gamers, real gear for real gamers. You guys have seen that before. We have some decal stickers, a couple Cougar stickers. You know, maybe if somebody wants those, we could probably ship them to you. I really won't use them. We have the instruction manual. You know, tells you how you have you know, 4 memory buttons, 6 G keys, N key rollover switch keys, which is pretty cool. So you know, all your keys are in rollovers. Well, you have a button for it, but that's pretty cool. Like I said, you have your mode switch keys, which is, there's 4 of them. Multimedia keys, it does have multimedia, you know, polling level. You know, it's got actual buttons for most of this, which is pretty cool. So we can change all that. G keys, you know, comfortable palm rest, you know, the FN function keys, and backlit moding. On the back it shows the USB port, audio port, and rubber stands. We'll get more into that. Pretty much just walks you through how to use it. You will actually have to go online and download their software. So we're not going to worry about that. Let's grab the keyboard itself. As you can see, the cord. This cord is big. The one thing that they do not tell you in this is you need a knife. And try not to cut the cord. So we're going to pull the cord out here. We're going to throw the plastic aside. The cord. It is one big braided cord that breaks off into 4 plugs. It has 2 USB ports, and then the headphone jack and microphone jack. These will have to be plugged into your headphone jack and microphone port, probably in the back of the computer. Same with these. I'm not sure where I'm going to plug in 2 more cords. Probably, you know, if I have one space for the second one, we'll figure that out. Let's grab the keyboard. Keyboard, nice size. Not too clicky. You know, you have your G keys right here. You have G1, G2, G3, G4, and G5. Up here is your memory. Memory 1, memory 2, and memory 3. So in memory R. Your pull rating is right here. Right here is your lock, lighting, your N key, rollover, multimedia play, up and down. Then you have your lights for all that, you know, like your scroll lock, cap lock, stuff like that. This is fully RGB keys. I'm going to take some of these keys off, keycaps off. I know how they go back on, so I'm not worried about that. I want to show you guys the key switch itself. As you can see, like I said, it is red without the keycap. There isn't much sound. Put the keycap back on. You guys hear the difference. You can easily pull the keycaps on and off. You could probably switch out these keys with different keys if you really needed. You could probably purchase them. You have the Cougar logo right here. Pull the little plastic off. You have their nice logo. Now on the back, you have rubber pads right here. You also have the rubber stand, which you can lift up if you want a little more height. You know, we'll give you a little bit of height. Take it off. It just sits flat. I mean, it's not much of a height difference, but not bad. Right here is your USB port, so you can power your mouse right from your keyboard. Or if you have like, your Stream Deck for Elgato, if you stream, you can plug that in. You plug your headphones and microphone in there. I actually will not use the headphone jack and microphone jack. I will test them to see if they work. But since my microphone is a big USB microphone, I'll leave that where it is. Back here is the logo, 700K Evo, with the Cherry UIX logo. So that is the unboxing of the Cherry, or of the Cougar 700K Evo. I will be doing a software install, software walkthrough for you guys, so you guys can see that. You'll also be seeing a lighting effect in that video also, so you guys will get to see that. So thank you for checking out the unboxing of the Cougar 700K Evo. Keep your eyes out for more on dragonblogger.com to come with some more of these awesome Cougar products. There's a few other reviewers coming with some stuff, like Nate is doing their desk. You know, in my headset, I have that coming too. So thank you and have a great day, guys.